In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do group scheduling in Calendly tutorial. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the home page, look for the login option and click it. Enter your email address, then choose Continue. On the next screen, type your password and continue to sign in. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual so you can proceed. Once you're on your Calendly homepage, you'll see your event types. We're going to create a new one specifically for group scheduling, which lets multiple people book the same time slot. Click the Create button. From the options that appear, select Group as the event type. This is different from one-on-one events or round-robin team scheduling. A group event is perfect for webinars, workshops, or office hours where several invitees can attend together. Give your event a clear, descriptive name. Think about what will make sense to your invitees at a glance, and consider adding a short description so people know what to expect. Next, set the duration. Choose how long each session will run, maybe 30, 45, or 60 minutes, matching the content you plan to cover. Now, choose the location. You can set it to a virtual meeting tool like Zoom or Google Meet, a phone call, or a physical address. If you're using a video tool, make sure your integration is connected to Calendly so links generate automatically when people book. Set your availability for this event. Pick the days and times you want to offer sessions, and double-check your time zone. It's a good idea to review advanced scheduling preferences like minimum notice and buffers between meetings to keep your calendar manageable and avoid back-to-back fatigue. Since this is a group event, set the invitee limit. This determines how many people can book the same time slot. For example, if you cap it at 10, once 10 people select a time, that slot will no longer be available to others. This keeps your session size under control and improves the experience for everyone. Choose the host for the event. If it's just you, confirm your calendar is selected. If you're hosting with a teammate, pick the correct host so the event lands on the right calendar and notifications go to the right person. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Your group event is now ready to use with your name, timing, location, availability, invitee limit, and host settings all locked in for smooth scheduling.